Hi, I'm Muhammad from ForexBee, and today I'm here to give you basic introduction of what is Forex and how it works. Forex is a huge market that dominates all of the financial markets in the world. Well, what does huge mean? In Forex, about 5.3 trillion US dollars are traded each day. This is equivalent to twice the size of United Kingdom economy. Forex or foreign exchange market is a global market with no physical location, which allows investors to trade currencies, that is to exchange one currency for another, as all forex trading is done in the form of pairs. For example, if you would want to exchange your euros for US dollars, the currency pair that would be traded would be EURUSD. Trading currencies implies that a trader simultaneously buys one currency by selling the other. The value of currencies changes every single moment throughout the day. A simple supply and demand dictates this. And this is the reason why nearly 90% of all transactions are for speculative purposes. Well, you might be wondering, why has Forex become so popular? There are multiple reasons for that. It's the most liquid of all markets, so you can buy and sell anywhere, anytime. You will never get stuck with the currency. There will always be a buyer, and that's a great advantage for currency trading. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and important information reaches everyone at the same time. So there's equal opportunity for everyone. Transaction costs in Forex are relatively low, and there are over 100 pairs that can be traded worldwide. So what's important is that Forex market is a trading opportunity for all investors. So hopefully I was able to answer some of your questions about what is Forex and how it works. Everything I told you in this video was just an introduction. There is going to be a complete series of videos about techniques and strategies of Forex. So be sure to follow us for future updates. And do visit our website forexbee.co to dive deeper into Forex learning. And if you find this information helpful, make sure to share it with your friends. Thank you.